If you've lost access to your Wire account and no longer have your phone number, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Wire login page. Go to the official Wire website or open the Wire app. Look for the login section where you typically enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the recovery process and guide you through the steps to reset your password. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Wire account. Make sure it's the correct one, as this is where the recovery instructions will be sent. Step 4. Check your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Escort to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Set a new password. Once you access the password reset page, create a new, strong password for your account. After successfully resetting your password, you should be able to log into your Wire account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to Wire's customer support for further assistance.